Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Making a heart-shaped keychain with sewing thread is a fun and creative project. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to help you create a cute homemade heart keychain. You need materials like choose any colors you like thread, cardboard or felt for the heart-shaped base, needle, scissor, keyring. Draw a heart shape on a piece of cardboard and cut it out. You can either keep the cardboard heart plate or create two hearts to glue together after adding stuffing. If you prefer a fabric look, cut two heart shapes from left. Seal the edges of the felt hearts together, leaving a small opening to add stuffing if you want a puffed look. Take your sewing thread and wrap it. Continue wrapping the thread around the heart. You can use multiple colors to create a vibrant design. Change the thread colors as you wrap by knotting them together at the back. Once the heart is completely covered with thread, tie the off and thread, secure it with a knot. Thanks for watching.